Hello everyone, welcome to SGSH publication. So today we are having Dr. Saji Daniel sir with us. Firstly, I would like to congratulate you sir for having your book published with us. And now when your book is published with us and it is available on all the platforms, so how are you feeling sir?
I'm extremely happy that you have taken the initiative of publishing my book. This
Thank
book
you.
is for the engineering, first year engineering students.
Yes,
I'm really happy that 3 platforms are available for people to refer.
amazing sir. So sir, firstly tell our audience something about yourself.
Yeah. Myself, Dr. Saji Daniel. I'm working as a professor in a Mumbai University Engineering College, that is RISV Engineering College, Bandra, in the Civil Engineering Department. My designation is Professor in Civil Engineering Department.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, so sir, you are a professor, right? So being a professor, there's a very big responsibility on your shoulders to, to teach about the research and everything to the students. So how do you do that?
Yeah, our college is actually not research oriented because it is a graduation level. We call it as a BTech or BE level.
Yeah.
They are taking admission after 12th. After the HSC, they are taking the admission. It is a 4-year degree course. So research is not there, but of course we are just motivating them for doing and preparing the research papers also. But actual research work we are not doing. We are only guiding them how we can go about for your post graduation and also for the doctorate also how we can go about that we will tell. So that is what we are doing.
Amazing, sir. So, when we talk about civil engineering, it seems out to be very interesting and very complicated at the same time. So, how would you like to explain this thing to us?
Yeah. See, any country, the development is based upon what all facilities we are providing to the common man. We call it as the customer. So we can see we have got the customer, they want roads, they want flyovers, they want public buildings, they want school buildings, they want. So any kind of infrastructural projects which are coming in a nation, it is done by civil engineering. So you can see that civil, mechanical, and electrical are considered to be the core branches of engineering. And all these infrastructures are done with this engineering. And I'm also proud that I'm a civil engineer. I have done my post-graduation, doctorate, everything from Mumbai University. I'm really proud of it.
Great,
Okay.
sir. So today, like in today's world, it has been a major concern that the people think that when they do BTech, it's very much, I mean, they are encouraged to do BTech in CS field, right? In computer field or things like that. So, what would you like to say about it? Um, you know, how can we actually explain this thing that no, there's not only one thing which is in trend, other fields are also equally interesting and are economically as well essential for all of us.
See, of course, nowadays we always talk about computer, AI, all these
Yes,
things we are talking about. But
true.
there was a time, you can see about say 20 to 30 years back, when you talk about engineering, the basic engineering we were talking about. But now we have come to a stage, the basic engineering will not work. We want to go for the application part.
Yes.
These are all computer, AI, everything is considered to be the application part. And fundamental is going to be civil, mechanical, and electrical. And now what we are doing is we are making use of this AI and computer in civil, in mechanical, and electrical. We are making use of so that we will be able to reach whatever is our goal. It is possible. So the
Okay.
basic branch is going to be this one,
Yeah.
but applications we are trying to incorporate with the basic branches.
Very amazing, sir. Okay, so when we talk about civil engineering and when we talk about the structures of the temples, ancient temples of India and everything, we find that they are very much, advanced, and the kind of engineering that has been utilized over there is something that seems to be a miracle, like which is not even, that way possible in today's time, right? So, what do you think about it, and what's your opinion on these things?
Yeah, we have got very good monuments throughout the world. Throughout the world,
Yeah.
monuments were there. It is not that it is going to be new.
Mhm.
Even after before independence, also you can see in our country, we are also much advanced.
Yes.
But what is now, there is a change is that we have done mechanization and automation in civil engineering.
Okay.
Previously, you can see Taj Mahal was constructed only by men and animal.
Yeah.
We have taken the help of only man and animal, and we have constructed a structure like Taj Mahal with only the labor. But at that time, it took about say 20 to 30 years for completing such a project. Now we can see the same project can be done in 2 to 3 years' time because we have done so much of mechanization and automation. So
Yeah.
that is the advantage it is coming up. So definitely, whatever we have done, it is extremely very good work. It is not only in India, throughout the world, even before 1900 also, we have got very good monuments were there. But still, what you can see now, see G plus 100 buildings, ground plus 100-story buildings. So
Yeah.
it's not possible with that kind of only with the labor. So
Yes.
now we have changed. Our scope of work is changed, and the volume is also large. And also, we wanted to complete in a small time that is available. So that is all possible, and of course, we are doing it also.
Amazing, sir. So, I would like to ask you about the education system. Like, what do you think how education system is in today's time, and in the ancient time as well? We have seen the system like the Gurukul system and things like that. So, which one do you prefer, and how do you think is in today's world our education system, and what are the changes that you would like to bring in this system?
See, we have moved from, say, from the old Gurukul system,
Yes, sir.
and now the system is going to be you can study yourself. It
Yes.
is not that something is difficult for you. Anything is possible. It is not that we have to approach the Guru and get it done. But we previously we were under the impression we have to approach the Guru and they are going to give you the basic principles. But nowadays you can see even the small child having age of 5 to 6, they know many things than we all people. Because the system is now changing. We
Yes.
are coming to a age we can see the fully automation stage where you can say electric car is going to be there, or you can say driverless car is going to be here. In
Okay.
Mumbai itself, you can see we were having the trains, metro trains were there. They were running with the help of the drivers.
Yes.
Now they have taken a decision that why we are actually wasting that human there. Without driver also, we can run a metro train. So Western world, they have come, the taxis are coming actually without driver to the residents. No, we are moving in that direction. Maybe Gurukul system was very good. It is not that, but at that time we have to think about that system. But we have changed a lot compared to the previous system. We have changed a lot, and we are only now see. Even though I am working with the college, we are only giving help only. The students they themselves they study everything, whatever is available. That also up to date. What is happening today also they are aware. Maybe we may not be aware, but the students are aware what happened today, what is the development as on today, they are even aware. So that is kind of a change which has happened from our Gurukul system to present system.
Amazing, sir. Uh, Agreed. Definitely agreed to whatever you said. Uh, but there's one more thing into my head. Like I was going through some book. I was reading a book, and I, got to see from there that the kind of education system we are having today is in a way binding us, narrowing down us towards I mean, in a way it is kind of वो एक limit create कर रहा है to our capabilities. Like as a human being, you are capable of doing everything. But when we enter the education system, it kind of narrows down our, the way we think, right? And we are totally एक तरीके से हमें उस चीज में डाल दिया जाता है कि you have to compete and you have to score well into the exams, and that is the basic aim of a child, right? To score well in the exam and then to get some job. So what would you like to say about it? Is it important like this should be the only goal, or in what way the education system should actually work so that a child would really grow, and not just for the sake of some money or things like that?
Yeah, but what you told is exactly correct. Now we are measuring the capability of the student by the score that they are getting.
Yes.
But actually, it is changing now. Now, some of the IT companies, they are not even bothering about what degree you are having.
Okay.
Even they don't ask whether you have got a certificate, whatever you have done. You have got the basic skill for doing the job. Are you aware about technical skill it is available or not? So that is more important now. But the only thing is that our system of education now still we are bothering. Have you got a certificate? Have you got a degree? Have you got a post graduation? But
Yes.
still now what you can see is now that is changing. In the change scenario, the certification, that is a certificate from a university, is not going to carry much of a weightage, because maybe education field it may be there, but in all other fields, are you aware the technical skills are going to be there? Then that is going to be here. You should have the managerial and the technical skill. Definitely, you can come up.
But sir, in our day-to-day lives, when we go across the things, we definitely see that in every stage, like wherever you want to go career-wise, you are always judged on the basis of your scores, right? And be it anything, even for government exams, or even for if you are going, the job that you have to do is very different from what you have been, you're going to be asked into the exam, right? So it's always there.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
there. It is definitely, yes. Whatever you are studying,
Yeah.
these are the basic things only. But what we are going to do is not the basic thing. It
Okay.
is only the advanced things only we are executing is the advanced thing. What we are studying in the school or college is going to be the basics only. When you know the basics properly, when you go for advancement, it won't be any problem. You can come out. You can see
Okay.
the number of engineering colleges or medical colleges are coming out. It is not that all these engineers and doctors are going to be working as engineers and doctors.
Yes.
They have got this, it become a basic thing.
Yeah.
And then they are choosing because they know basically they know what they are supposed to do. Any field they go, they will be shiny because they have got the basic knowledge they have acquired, basic skills they have acquired, technical as well as managerial skill they have acquired. So they can switch over to any kind of job. So of course, definitely it is good that the basic knowledge should be there. A minimum, a graduation level, it is ideally, it's good. Maybe the politicians may say something different, but we are not bothering about that. We wanted to see that when we wanted to run the show, yeah, the basic knowledge, it should be there.
Amazing, sir. So, sir, since you are in the field of civil engineering, so I would like to know from you what, according to your prediction, could be the future of the civil engineering, or what advances do you expect to come in this particular field in the coming years?
Yeah, civil engineering has moved maybe for the last 100 years. What was civil engineering last 100 years? It is not the civil engineering now. Before 100 years, we can see we were constructing the structures by taking 20 years, 30 years, 40 years time.
Agreed.
Maybe if I start a project, maybe my son will be able to see the project. I will not be able to survive. But now we can see that time is not the factor. We see within 1 or 2 or 3 years time, the project is getting materialized. That is what we will be able to see now. And dramatic changes are there. You can see the Mumbai-Pune Express Highway. Yes, thing which we cannot even think. So when I came to Mumbai, I was taking about 6 to 7 hours to reach Pune. But now I'm reaching in 2 hours time. So because of the expressway, our speed has been increased. The facilities are being increased, and we will be able. So like that in all the fields, wherever civil engineering is applicable, it has taken a drastic change. We cannot think about a ground plus 100-story building about 40 years, 50 years back. But
Yeah.
now we can see in Mumbai, if you go to Tarde or Grand Road, their buildings are 100 floors that we cannot think at that time. Now, a drastic change has taken place. Though everything is basically civil engineering, but the shape has been changed, design has been changed, the outlook is being changed. That is what we can see now.
Amazing, sir. Really amazing. So now I would like to ask you, how did you came to think? I mean, how did you come to know that this is what you want to do? Like in our lives, there's always one thing that I mean, we all listen to this one thing a lot. कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप किस चीज में अच्छे हो, and you have to go into that field. You love this particular field or not. You should be aware of all this. So, at what age you became aware of your interest, right? And then you started to, I mean, वो आपने सोचा होगा कि मुझे सिविल इंजीनियर ही बनना है, तो वो आपने कैसे सोचा? एंड उसकी क्या जर्नी रही? एंड आप आज के बच्चों को कैसे बताना चाहोगे कि हाउ कैन दे थिंक अबाउट, वो अपना डिसीजन कैसे ले सकते हैं अबाउट करियर, जो भी उनके लिए सबसे बेस्ट होगा?
Career selection, we are doing our career selection after the age of 15.
Yeah.
Before that, we are not even aware
Yes,
that
true.
we have to choose a career.
Yes.
So everybody will be joining for that plus two, plus one, plus two. So there, of course, people will be taking either science or maths, or you can say commerce or economics. So there you will come to know, and depending upon how much you are scoring, you will be getting the admission. When you are applying for engineering admission, we have to identify how much is your gate score, how much your entrance score is going to be there. Are
Yeah.
we going to get yes or no? So if you're not getting, yes, civil is good enough. If you're getting mechanical, yes, good enough. So anyway, it is going to be a professional field. You can choose. It is not that, even in my case, I never thought I will be taking civil. At
Okay.
that time, depending upon the merit list scheme, I have chosen and I have taken. Maybe in case at that time, if I was getting an admission for electronics, definitely I should have taken electronics. But I was not getting it. I was getting civil at that time. Yes, then I have decided, yes, with the available thing, available resources, I will make my career.
Amazing. Great, sir. Okay. So, sir, how did your journey of writing start?
Actually, I was writing for a long time, but I was not thinking of publishing. But very recently, somebody told me, now in Mumbai University, that first year there are no books are available because this is the first time this kind of a subject is being implemented in the first year of civil engineering. So there are no books available. Only we have to rubber about 10 to 12 books so that the first year students have to pass the examination. So in a single book, if it is possible, so two, three people suggested me, why don't you write? Then I thought, okay, I will write a book. That is the reason I have chosen this subject for writing the book.
Great, sir. Amazing. So, sir, now I would like to ask you if you have any message for our audience that you would be giving them.
My okay. My suggestion is, see, according to me, civil engineering is a good field. It's not that civil engineering has got any other problem. But in case if you are having other interests, definitely now it's not compulsory. But you can choose this field. It's a fast developing field, and you will be able to shine in the field also, in academics also. You can shine in your career life.
Great, sir. Thank you so much for this amazing interview. I hope our audience would have learned a lot from this. So, my last question to you is, how was your experience with SGSH publication? And if you have any suggestion for us, please feel free to share.
I was actually inquiring for publishing this book. So one of my friend only suggested this publication. Then once I was standing near to my college, so I have seen this. I think it was in an auto rickshaw. On the back side of the auto rickshaw, it was written, "Are you interested in publishing your book? Why don't you contact SSH?" So I have taken a snap at that time, and it was lying on my mobile. Then I was sitting. Then I thought I'll give a message. Whether are you? Then of course, immediately I got a reply. Yes, we are ready. And then of course it started. Maybe about 3 4 months back, I have started. And
Yeah.
then of course because things it was ready at that time. Then of course it was in the Word format, and I have discussed with that madam. She said, okay, we are ready to do whatever these formalities are there. You complete the bond. I was very happy. Immediately, I got the reply and I have sent my Word copy. I have not even seen who is the person behind. But
No.
still, everything was through mobile and through net, everything is done. I have not even go to the office itself. I have not seen even. But still, everything was fine. Absolutely, even I will recommend also. If somebody asks me, I will tell, yes, we have got somebody. It's not that big publication, but still, things can be done very easily. I'm
Yeah.
very, very happy about it.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. It was really nice interacting with you. And thank you so much for this amazing interview. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.